Alright, these are other recordings that I had to delete of tornado siren hunting videos. This is the part 2 of the tornado siren hunting video. Hope you enjoy. Oh my god, there's a tornado siren right there! I'll go get a good view of it! Oh, hello! See that big baby right there? There it is! The tornado siren! If you can see, I'm here filming this. And yes, I have that tornado siren right here. Let's see if I can do something. I'm going to try and do something. I'm going to use it, and I'm going to go right under it. No way! This is right under the tornadoes. Well, I'm going to do something. I touched it! You know what? Yeah, we got to hug it. You know I had to do that. Now let's go back to tornado siren hunting.
Too bad you didn't wear your boots. Close the door.
No way! I'm gonna go get a better view for you guys. You know I'm actually going to do this all for you. I'm doing this for you. Whatever I do, I do it for you. And here we are right under it. Can you see it right here? Yo. This is the pole, and I'm going to show you me hugging it. You know I love sirens. I'm going to do something no one wants me to do. No one has ever said it, though. I did it! Alright, but here, I'll get an even better view for you guys. I gotta get a good view for you. This is all from you. I'll do it for you! Because, you know, you're my fans and subscribers and viewers. And I do anything for my viewers. I'm even endangering myself in this video. See it? One of these days, we're even going to go to Picatinny and see a Thunderbolt 1000T.